Welcome to KCAL 9's special coverage of fireworks on the 4th. Hi, everyone. I'm Susie Sa.
And I'm Juan Fernandez. From Huntington Beach to Rancho Cucamonga, we're bringing you some spectacular sights from all around the Southland tonight.
And that includes Long Beach. Look at this. And the biggest of them all, America Fest in Pasadena, of course. Let's start with Long Beach, though, of course. Can you just imagine the fireworks that are going to be lit off tonight, Juan, with the background of this, with the Queen Mary in the background, all the glimmering lights? It is just going to be a gorgeous location for all the people who are sitting along the waterfront right here, waiting for the fireworks show tonight.
And look what's amazing behind the Queen Mary, Susie, nice dark skies. We have clear skies tonight as well to enjoy some of those fireworks, which are going to be going off any minute now. And you know, it's been a tradition here at KCAL 9 where we've been bringing fireworks to Southern California for many, many years now. And I think this is the first time in a while where we've had several locations going on at once. We have Long Beach, we have Leslie Maring over at the Rose Bowl, Jake Reiner in Long Beach, Jeff Nguyen is over at Huntington Beach.
That's right.
And
we have Lauren Posen in Rancho Cucamonga.
That's right.
I mean, we're everywhere tonight.
We're everywhere. And we were talking earlier how exciting it would be. I mean, Susie and I both agreed the beach would be the place we'd like to go. Just the sunset tonight was gorgeous, and we're so lucky the weather has been just cooperating for everybody. And let's talk about the entertainment here,
Oh my
Susie.
goodness, this is in Pasadena, and this is actually the 100th birthday celebration of the Rose Bowl, believe it or not. It's actually the 96th America Fest celebration. But back to Long Beach here.
There it is.
Here we are. These are the fireworks happening right now in Long Beach. Let's watch. All right, as we've been watching fireworks spectaculars throughout Southern California, we take you now to Pasadena for the celebration recognized as one of the nation's largest and longest running shows to celebrate America's birthday. It is the 96th annual America Fest at the Rose Bowl. It took a crew of about 20 people to make this all happen tonight. The show will have a little bit of everything from fireworks, ranging from ones that have an aerial shell the size of a battery to ones that are the size of a basketball. And this was all in the works for 4 days. Pyrotechnicians set up the 2,500 pounds of fireworks, 30,000 pounds of equipment to provide a colorful night sky for a 30-minute show this evening, which is just about to get underway, as you see here. Paul Souza is a producer of the 5th generation, and he's a 5th generation pyrotechnician, and he is the one, and his family are the ones who are putting this once again together. The crew will have spent 4 days working on this now, and there's our logo right there, KCAL 9. The Souza family, always so generous and kind to show off our great logo as well. By the way, the show will feature the Rose Bowl Centennial logo as well this year because we are celebrating 100 years of the Rose Bowl here in Southern California. There are 8,000 separate shells that will go off, each from 3 to 12 inches again in diameter. And again, the crew has spent 4 days putting all of this together, making sure all the wiring is right, each of those thousands of shells to be fired. They have to get it just right for all of this to happen. It is absolutely magic when this all happens. And this is another preview of what we'll be seeing tonight. Just lovely things happening tonight. The Rose Bowl, a huge party as we've been watching all day. And it's been such a big party because not only are we talking about the 96th annual America Fest celebration, but 100 years for the Rose Bowl. So happy birthday to the Rose Bowl, and what a great way to get things kicked off. And the Rose Bowl is going to be celebrating actually for a week, folks. It's not going to end tonight in Pasadena. The party will continue as the Rose Bowl celebrates its 100th birthday with various activities happening at the Rose Bowl and in and around Pasadena, along with concerts as well. But it looks like the fireworks spectacular is now going to get underway. Let's watch.
Got your phone handy? Of course you do. Scan this right here. Download the CBS LA app. And just like that, you're connected to all the best local news and videos. Now, if only everything were this easy.